Welcome to Flash Printing Depot.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are at Flash Printing Depot. We have Ernie here. He is, about to put in our double door. So this is what it looks like before the progress. I have to leave to go take care of some errands. Carl is staying here, but this is it. Double doors are coming. So excited. There's Lulu. So stay tuned. Hey, girl. All right. It's happening. Double doors coming soon.
FlashCustomTransfers. This is your video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. All the information to them is in the description below. Hey. All right, so we got the outside view for FlashCustomTransfers. This is what it looks like from the outside. They're almost done. They got the frame in, so now it's just glass. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna be putting up our film in there. That roll right there is gonna go on all these pieces of glass on the outside and reflect all this sun, because the sun sets over here and just beams hot UV rays right into the store and heats up the store. So that white will reflect a lot of the sun, and it'll also be see-through from the inside.
2 doors. Ernie and Danny are the man. Wow. You said in 30 minutes. You said they'd be done in 30 minutes. Oh. Wow, it looks nice.
Oh, it looks good. I haven't seen it from the outside.
It looks really good. It looks so professionalism. It looks good. Wow. Welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Of course, apparel, DTF transfers. Always, we are making a hoodie for the boy.
For the boy.
For the boy. Juice World. You know these kids in the Juice World. I don't have a Teflon sheet, but we're going to make it do what it do because we are improvisers. Right, honey?
You should do them both at the same time.
Well, I want to layer it. Like, I want to make it a little bit closer.
We need to
because there's
trim
not
it and
space.
stuff. It's all right. Okay, let's go. Why is it so tight?
Because it's a hoodie.
Oh, yeah. Melted. Okay, can you hand me my little fan? Okay, so we'll blow it. Watch out, baby.
Oh, give her that little styrofoam thing. You guys can use that for your niece. They're almost done. Yeah. That stuff's... Yeah, that's Danny, yeah. That stuff's gonna fit right in. Get your mama another one for her niece.
No, I'm okay. I'm used to it. Okay.
That's our transfers.
Let's go.
Even without a Teflon sheet.
Flash Custom Transfers.
Right. That's actually absolutely perfect. It's perfect.
Right there? Okay, let it go.
This is the band, or this is some extra stuff?
Huh?
This is for band, or this is just...
No, this is just the hoodie.
Oh, okay.
I did get him some jeans though for Van.
Oh, okay.
So.
So you need to do a double... Oh, no, the double press is not going to be the good. Oh, you just double pressed on the...
I know, baby, I got it. Carl forgets I'm the professional.
You can double press on the raw?
Why not? What do you mean on the road?
Because you don't have a Teflon above the...
Baby, yes.
I don't know.
Baby, you know how many times I've done this? More times than you've been alive. More
times.
You almost
You mean
peeled it
once?
up. Look, she
Is
almost
Lulu in
peeled
the
it
car?
up.
Is Lulu in the car?
No, she's playing volleyball.
Why is my door open?
Oh, Laura, what? Close the door. Why is that?
You didn't get in the back seat.
I was in the front.
Oh, Laura, close the back door. Close the door.
Okay.
There we go.
Final.
You don't want to stick nothing over it?
Nope.
A piece of plastic over it?
Sure. I'll do it right after this.
All right.
Okay, all done.
See, now it looks
That's the only one you got to do?
Yeah.
Oh,
official.
Oh, your brand
let me see.
new.
Look at that.
Oh, that does look good. Wow, that was official.
Yeah, see, look at
That's
that.
crazy.
An official Juice WRLD hoodie.
Official. Don't say that.
That's
That's a nice color.
Yeah,
I
it
told
melted
you,
right in there.
this looks very big. But it fits really good though.
It melted right in there.
You wanna put it on?
Snuggle. That's really perfect.
Ah, that white does look good with that.
8:13.
8:13, guys. They started about 5 p.m. And look,
3 hours.
yeah, look how beautiful it looks. Double doors, yeah, get it. Got the kids over there hanging out. It looks really, really good. I'm so proud. So amazed. Good work.
Yeah, that's good work.
Yeah, they did a great
Doing
job.
well.
They did a great job. So happy. Going back there. All right, top glass is going up. This is the last piece to the puzzle. See.
Change is better than everything that we're talking about.
Baby. That's all it takes to put on a glass.
Shelly, why, you think that you could do it? You think that you can do it?
Is
You know
that
how
all
much-
it
No, it's
takes?
not. It's a lot. It's a lot. Shelly thinks she can do it.
I don't know. It's a touching glass.
No, it's just.
Shifting it.
Is that all you have to do?
Okay, back for it.
Back up.
We just need to take out 2 cans. 2 cans.
Please move.
Welcome to Flash Printing Depot.
Yeah.